Hi everyone, it's Casey and I'm here today with Dr. Lee, and we are going to talk about heart disease in cats. So Dr. Lee, tell me a little bit about what we should worry when we have a kitty.
We have quite a bit to worry about in cats, we're finding out these days, because cats are really great at hiding what's wrong.
Right.
Okay, instinctually, more so than dogs, certainly more than people that like to talk about our medical problems and
right.
how we feel. Animals can articulate that. And cats instinctually really try not to let us know they're sick, because in the wild there'd be somebody else's lunch,
Right.
okay? So what we're finding is in young to middle-aged cats, heart disease is much more common than we really once thought. It actually is the leading cause of sudden death in kitties young to middle-aged.
Wow.
And it's something that goes on undetected. Now that we've got more screening tests, any cat that comes in with a murmur or an unusual heart sound should have a full cardiac workup, so we're not faced with that scenario, that cat that just suddenly dies
Right.
because it's got underlying heart disease that went undiagnosed.
And what is a murmur exactly?
A murmur is just a turbulent flow because of a problem in one of the valves.
Okay.
So when you listen to a heart with a stethoscope, you normally hear a nice even lub, dub, and a murmur is more, instead of the lub, dub, you get a whoosh, whoosh, whoosh,
okay.
whoosh. And every vet's a little bit different. Like, I like rock music just like you do, so my hearing might not be as good as it used to be. So every vet is a little different when they grade a murmur. Some vets can't even hear a murmur. You may have heard a grade 2 out of a 6 murmur. So anytime we detect a heart murmur or any other abnormal heart sounds, like an arrhythmia or anything like that that's out of the usual, then we can further evaluate that cat's cardiac function through specialty testing, also through digital radiographs and ultrasound.
Okay.
So we just don't want to ignore abnormal heart sounds, murmurs, or rhythms in younger cats. Certainly not in older cats, but we have a tendency to think it's benign disease in younger to middle-aged cats. It's far from the truth, as we're finding out.
Great. Thank you so much. That
You're
was
welcome.
great.